Hello. Do you see yourself? Please don't attack me. Hey y'all, I am back. I really need to find something else to say instead of I'm back with another video. Today we are going to do a bronzy, goldy look. Paired it with a nudie lip. I like this look. I like it a lot. I definitely feel like you can wear this look any time of the year. You can wear it winter, summer, spring, fall. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I would love it if you watched. And yeah, okay, so I had already started my eyeball and then I realized that I wasn't even filming. So that's great. All I did was I put this Lay and Low paint pot all over my lid, and then I went in with this eyeshadow by MAC. It's called Soft Brown, and I just went with my 224 brush and I put it all in my crease. So the next color that I'm going to use is this Single Shadow by Urban Decay. It's in the color Beware, and it's just a brown. This is the first one that I used. It looks like that. I'm gonna go in with my 224 again and just put it in my crease, but I'm not gonna take it all the way in like we did with that other shadow. So I'm gonna start on the outer. Put this all on my outer corner and then just blend it up. All right, now I'm going to take another MAC shade. It's called Espresso. It's this brown I used to wear all the freaking time, and now I don't pick it up as often as I used to, but this was a really good color if you want to do any kind of brown smoky eye. I used to fill my brows in with this too, so you can use it for multiple uses. I'm taking my 217 brush. Oh, she's looking crazy. With this color, we are going to keep it on the outer part, which is the V part. That's what they call it. It's just this outer part of the eye that we're gonna keep it at. And we're gonna kind of blend it up into the crease just a little bit. I'm gonna deposit the color first. So I'm just gonna pat it on there and then go sideways and then just blend it up into your crease just a little. I'm gonna go back in with my 224 brush and I'm just gonna blend the edges together, you know. On myself, when I do a brown smoky eye, to just keep it like this, I don't like to put anything deeper unless I was going out that night. I would just stick to something like this. It's very daytime appropriate, I think. Now I'm gonna go in with Woodwinked by MAC. This is the perfect lid color. I'm gonna do that little trick that I showed in my last video with the Fix Plus. So I'm gonna dip my brush into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my Fix Plus spray. We're going to put the eyeshadow from the inner corner all the way to the middle. We're gonna stop it right there where that brown is. Put it on, baby girl, put it on. At work, this is all that I put on people. Every single time they look at eyeshadows, they're like, oh, you know, yeah, I just want something I can wear every day. Okay, have you heard of Woodwinked? It's great. I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna go back in with my 217 brush that we used for espresso, and I'm gonna go and add a little bit more of espresso. This is taking me back to when I was in school and all I would wear every single day is bronzy eyes. That's all that I would. I mean, I love bronzy eyes. Well, there is one eye done. I'm gonna put some lashes on and hi. Now that the eyeballs are done, I'm going to put on these lashes that I ordered from Batty B. These are Batty B lashes in the style Sugar Baby. I'm gonna put these guys on. I'm gonna try them on. They're super cute. Let's do it. Alright, so I have the lashes on. I like them. I think that they are really, really nice. She's just chilling. She just climbed up on me and wanted me to hold her, so now she's just here. Who's that? What's that? Do I look? Okay, go ahead. So I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line now. I'm gonna go in with soft brown. Put this one. Oh, wow, hi. Lower lash line first. I'm gonna go in more with a penciled kind of brush. This is the 219. It looks like that. It's just like a, I'm gonna go in with a Beware eyeshadow, the second color that we used. I'm gonna go in with Espresso and just put it on my outer corner like how we did with the top. Other side, other side. Now this next part is optional. You don't have to do this, of course, but I'm going to add a little bit of that color we put on the lid, Woodwinked, and I'm going to put it on this part right here. I feel like it kind of opens my eyes a little bit when I add this, so I'm just gonna put, I feel like it adds something to my eyeball, you know? See, a little shine, a little something, you know? Bam! Bam! All right, now for the lips, I'm gonna take this Jordana lip liner. I got this from Walgreens. My best friend Miranda actually got me hooked on these, so thanks, best friend. I love you. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips real quick and I'll be right back. Now that we have that on, I'm gonna go in with, do they still sell OCC? I mean, I've had them for a little bit. Oops. I'm gonna take one of their lip tars. This is in the color Trick. It's a glossy kind of finish. I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'll figure out if they still sell them, but if they don't, I'll let you know down in the description. It's okay. I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Alrighty, well, this is the look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. This look is definitely, like, you could totally make this a night look if you wanted a little bit of black wherever we put that dark brown color, just to kind of make it smokier, make it more of a night look. Also, like I mentioned in my last video, I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers, so please be on the lookout for that. That would be pretty awesome. And if you want to help me get to 100, I would love that so very much. I am so grateful. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, subscribe if you'd like. I will see you in my next video. Bye.